going to demonstrate the four-drape method, or quadrant draping. So the first thing I'm going to do, if you watch the limb draping video, I'm going to open the drapes in a different fashion. Yes. Okay. You're going to walk and you're going to place what's known as the surgeon's drape first. I'm right-handed, so I'll be doing surgery on the right-hand side of the dog. So this is the side I'm going to place it on. I'm going to place it just there. And so the first clamp that you place needs to be in the center of this drape under the flap. That way it holds it into place. You're going to go under the drape. You need to get the drape and the dog. It's very important to place your towel clamps under the flap. That way when you're suturing, your suture does not get hung in the towel clamps. Okay, as I'm walking, I'm going to fold the drape on itself. The next drape I'm going to place is going to be on the head. Okay. When you place the drape, if it's not perfect, and whether you have placed it too far away from the incision, okay, or you placed it on top of the incision, I'll talk about both those. If you place the drape and you're too far away from the incision, you may never, at any point, drag the drape from away from the incision closer to the incision. Absolutely, you may not do that because you're going to be dragging things from an unsterile field into the sterile field. So if that happens and your drape is placed too far away, just discard the drape on the floor and get another drape. If your drape is placed and you're too close to the incision, you can adjust away from the incision slightly. That is okay to do. Okay? So we're going to go ahead and place this drape. Get our towel clamp. So for this drape, you're going to come to this corner and you need to get the first drape, the drape you just placed, and the animal. Okay, come over here to open this one. Again, with the towel clamp, get the animal, the first drape, and the drape you just placed on top. That drape did not open how I wanted it to, so I'm just going to discard the drape and get another one. Okay, now your final two towel clamps that you place need to be in this corner and this corner. So you want to get the dog, the first drape, and the second drape. So again, coming under the flap. And you're finished.